Hi you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I meant to put my stuff together, but I'm pressed for time, okay? Yes. I'm drinking the Prime because honey, I'm gonna need it. I gotta stay up late today to cook for tomorrow. I need to put up the Christmas tree and I need to run. I gotta clean up some stuff at the house. I need to go find some more Christmas tree decorations because we're only gonna put up 2 trees this year, but babe had bought some red decor stuff to put in the kitchen, so of course it needs to match, in my opinion. So I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere cheap, see if I can find some Christmas stuff to put on the tree, along with like the silver and white and all that stuff that we have going on. Okay, so that is going to be our task for this Vlogmas, and well, for this particular Vlogmas episode. Okay, I'm about to head and go get the churns, and then we're gonna go ahead and go shopping real quick, get this taken care of, so we can make it to the house and get everything ready. I'm excited. Tomorrow we're having the family over, everybody, and I like to host the fam and stuff, so it'll be fun per usual. So yeah, I will check in with you guys a little bit later once we get to a store.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget.
The chicken nugget and the drop.
Real bad, take it out. Little bitty stems, you can let them stay on there, but the ones that got loose stems down in there, or if the stem is too big, you can take that out.
Okay. Oh Lord. All right, y'all. So I know I look real raggedy and ratchet. It's okay. It's okay. So we made it back from the store, and here are the things that we got from Hobby Lobby. So I got some of this mesh ribbon to go on the tree, black and white, and I also got it in red and white. These are the bows I was saying that baby got for the cabinets. And then I got these black ornaments as well as some smaller red ornaments. And then we got some large red ornaments too. So we got all of that. And then what we're doing over here now, so let me tell y'all what's going on, don't be mad at me. So in order for me to have been able to do Vlogmas consistently, I was gonna have to start filming way sooner. So technically we are cooking for Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow. So don't be mad at me. This is the only way that I know I'm gonna be consistent, okay? So over here, picking these greens, not necessarily picking them because, you know, they're shredded already, but picking out all the stems and stuff like that, because y'all know you can't have the stems, can't be doing all the crunch much on collard greens, okay? Babe over there shooting up the turkey, and I gotta make cornbread muffins with my honey butter sauce and macaroni and cheese. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. So I guess y'all can watch us do that. I also believe that we may put up the trees tonight. If not, we're gonna do that after the parade in the morning. So yeah, let me go ahead and get back to these greens. So in today's Vlogmas episode, we are going to be putting up our Christmas tree. I'm so excited. So I did go ahead and do a little something in the living room. I got my ornaments and stuff set out, waiting for us to put the tree together. These two are fighting, the other one's asleep. And I always have the cocoa bar up and stuff during the holiday times. I just did what I did to this last year because I wasn't about to buy new stuff. And of course, y'all saw where I decorated this area on the first episode of Vlogmas. So we are, this is actually pre-recorded. Don't get mad. It's technically Thanksgiving and we have 2 hours before our guests arrive. So we want to go ahead and get the tree up because we want to have the festive feel. Okay, so yeah, we are about to go ahead and get started with the Christmas trees. We technically have 3, but I don't feel like putting that last one up, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So this one is the one that we typically put up in the family, the living room, whatever. I want to put this one in the dining room, but y'all, this is a fat tree. Oh, sorry. That's a fat ass tree, okay? So I don't know if it's gonna fit in there. And then this one's also leaning. If y'all can see, it's doing the shoulder lean. So I gotta figure out where we can put it and that doesn't do that weird lean thing. But other than that, we need to go, and y'all see how tall this tree is. It's bent up and everything. We had to spray it actually because y'all see it looks a little dingy. This is probably going to be the last year of this tree and we're going to throw it away. But we had to put a little bit more snow on the tree to try to get it to look like something. But it's still a little struggling. Giving struggle. Wait a minute now. What's going on? Why it's so shiny? Oh, I need to comb that. I need to go comb that real good. But yeah, I'm super excited. So you guys just come along and watch us put up the tree. I need to wake the little one up because I know she's gonna be upset that we're doing this without her. So let me go wake her up. I'm gonna turn on some criminal music. Her room is so dirty, y'all. I need to come clean it. Little bitty. You want to wake up and help us put up the Christmas tree? Well, come on.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. just coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance.
Ryan, come on, watch your hand.
Come on, go have a seat. Not you scoping out the items first. I got a little scared. It is. Hey guys, so it is the next day after all the Thanksgiving festivities, and y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the finished product of the tree. But just know we rushed this tree because it was literally right before guests were arriving for Thanksgiving dinner. So this is what we came up with so far. So I don't know if I'm going to be changing anything on the tree or not, because we have another tree we got to put up anyway. So yeah, it's not that big of a deal. But if you look closely, you see a lot of balls are very close together, and that's because my nephew started attacking our tree last night during Thanksgiving dinner. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much what happened there. But we do have some little decor here in the kitchen. Okay, babe put up these little ribbon things that he found the idea of TikTok, so he put those up. And still food up there from last night. And he did some on this side as well. So it looks really, really cute. I think I'm gonna go find maybe some red pillows to throw onto the couch and like a red blanket or something, just to tie in some more red. But that is going to be for another vlog, because we're actually gonna go ahead out and do that today, and we're gonna start another vlog today as well. So after you guys have watched this vlog, make sure you tune into the channel tomorrow to catch the vlog of us going to find some more, you know, home decor, makeup, things like that. And thank you guys so much for tuning into today's vlog. Be sure to like this video and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Okay, don't forget to do that. And of course, if you are new here and you love this video, binge watch the rest of the videos. You're gonna love it here, okay? I promise. And you're gonna want to subscribe, okay? So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.